Me? Hey,
Oh,
y'all.
Miss
Wait.
Mattie.
Hey.
What's good, girl?
Miss Tamika, I'm almost ready for you. I'm almost ready for that program.
Oh. Okay.
I got my office, y'all. I'm in my office. I'm in an actual office.
Oh,
So I'm almost ready.
God. Congratulations, baby. Oh my
So
God.
check it.
Came a long
Right?
way.
Oh my God. All the time. I'm telling you. And I just got a new client today. So that's another. Yay.
Wow. Congratulations. Y'all gotta give it up.
That's why you got that hair swoop to the side. I see you. Okay, you gotta tell us, how did everything happen? Like, how did this happen?
Yeah.
How I got the office?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, so you remember our last conversation? And I was at home and we were trying to meet. I'm trying to meet with you, and then people walking around and blah, 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 blah. And all right. So it was like a big distraction working from home, right? You got the dogs, you got the refrigerator, I got my bed, I got the TV. Husband walking around, Got to the point where I couldn't think, like clearly.
Yeah.
Something has to give. So I'm praying on it, praying over it. So I looked on Marketplace and they had rooms for rent. So it was shared office, right? So it was shared office, the $500, $550, $600. One was for $300. I was trying to go for the $300, but somebody already took that. So I ended up getting one. I came in, met with the lady. She Okay, so I met with the lady and she told me what she did. So she works with children or people from 18 through like 25. Okay. And whatever their situation is, their domestic violence or abuse or whatever, right? So she helps them. So I said, well, wait a minute. Are they looking for a job? Because she said they are trying to, what's the word? Like revamp their life, try to get back on the right track.
Right.
So these are troubled people trying to get back on the right track. I said, well, wait a minute. Are they looking for a job? Because I need people. I'm always looking for people. And then she said, as a matter of fact, they are always, my clients always look for jobs. They're always needing help. I got you on that. Okay. Then I also have, I don't know if you guys remember, because it's been a while since I've been on here with you guys. I also have a boutique, the online boutique. And within that boutique, it's named after my mother. And within that boutique, I also donate clothes to domestic violence survivors.
Oh, wow.
People who are, if they had to leave a house just with nothing.
Right.
Nothing, just the clothes on their back. So I always try to donate clothes to them for their babies, their children or whatever. So we're all this is just working together. This is working together. I'm like, wait a minute. Something is happening here. So I looked at the office. I have my daughter with me. She does nails. So we're looking at each other like, wait a minute. You do nails. I can do the resumes. I can clothe them and I can give them a job. Or if they didn't want to do the cleaning, we could prepare them for the world. They get the interview clothes. She can do their hair. She does wigs. She can do their hair, their makeup. She also does makeup, and she does the nails. Wow. So all of this was working together. I'm like, this ain't nothing but God. He is all in the mix, in the mix right here.
Right.
So I told her, okay, I'm going to let you know about the office. Give me a few days. I'm trying to work on something. I was like, well, how many people are looking, into the space? And she said, well, I do have a couple of people, but they haven't come by yet. I said, okay, I'm going to claim it. It's mine. Just give me a few days. So I went and looked at another office space. It was in the hood. So I checked the crime map and I was trying to see what the crime was like in that area. It was very high. I'm like, okay, I don't need to be over there. Yeah. Let me check the crime map in this area. Very low. Very, I mean, minimal, like almost none. So I'm like, okay. Then they had ample parking and all this stuff. I'm like, okay. Okay, Lord, if it was meant to be, you gotta make a way. Because you know my funds is tight.
Yep.
Right? Woo, they tight.
Okay.
So then I get a contract. I'm like, oh, Lord, this you?
Yeah.
You working this out? Okay, you working this out. You working this out.
Okay.
I called her back. I said, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna step out on faith. I'm gonna do it. And then she said, well, even if you wanted to pay weekly until you can just pay monthly, you can do that too. You have that option as well. I said, oh, okay. I like it. I'm gonna take it. I moved in Friday the 20, I think it was the 27th. I think Friday was the 27th. I just got everything organized today. Got my pictures on the wall. Got the sign guy came earlier today. So we're getting the sign put up. I'll have a sign back here, welcome to Perfectly Pictured. Yeah, no. Right there. Oh no, Lord.
Are you there now?
Yeah,
I'm here
now.
Oh, let's come on, let's get a tour.
Let's do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, honey.
Okay. Let's see. Here we go. We're gonna start.
Ooh.
We got a little waiting area. So other offices here. This is the therapist's office. So they have 2 offices. That's the entrance right here. All right. Can you see that?
Yes,
That's the car. All right. So now we're gonna walk. There's a doctor's office here, therapist, and then we walk in here. So this is the name of the company here. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Wow, look at that, y'all.
So this is the lady that owns this part here.
Okay.
So she's renting out. So here's a little waiting room. All right. Got a little kitchenette. Hold on.
Wow.
Look at that. Make a little coffee. Got a little refrigerator, microwave, and then we got the restroom in here.
Okay.
And then this is my office.
Ooh.
Look at you.
I clean to burn off the crazy.
I know that's right, honey.
Difference maker. We rise by lifting others. We talk about leadership. If you take the team out of teamwork, it's just work. So I got my little inspirational things here. I got my little things to do more.
There you go. You gotta have one.
Yup. And then
I love it.
here so my employees can come and grab stuff. I still gotta fill that up. Then I got my little board, all the labor laws and stuff.
Okay.
And then we have like the TV and the conference room. Wait, let's come in here.
Wow.
Conference room.
I love it.
That's dope.
I love it.
And then this office here, she's using this as a shared space. So if somebody wanted to come in, which my goal is to get this whole entire suite. That's what I'm praying on next.
I know that's right. You better claim that.
That's right. So I want the whole entire suite. So that's what I'm working on.
Wow.
I love it.
I love it.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, it was
I gotta come to y'all podcast because I got a story. Ms. Johnson, when you interviewed me last year, I don't know if you remember that.
I remember.
I was working for an equipment construction company. Right?
I remember.
3 months after that, I quit my job. Here I am now, my own office.
Yeah, Miss Renita just quit hers after 20 years. I tell you, boy, that is a blessing.
That's a blessing.
If nobody has their own office right now, and that's something that you want to do not
pray on
lose
it.
hope. You know what I'm saying? Because what God got for you, He gonna give it to you.
Right.
It's just
you
gotta trust the process. Everything happens in His timing.
Right.
You have
Isn't
to
that
be
the truth?
patient. You know what I'm saying? And Maddie, I'm gonna get on your behind. Cause you remember the last time we talked, You were
Yeah.
about to give up. You were going through it.
Girl. Oh yeah, because right. My daughter, oh Lord. Okay, you're
Yeah.
right.
It was a lot. It was a
See?
lot.
See? And I said, hey, don't give up. What you gonna do?
Right.
And
I didn't give up. I prayed. I stuck it out. Because you're gonna have those moments where you want to give up. Like
it's normal.
Yes.
We all have those moments.
Right.
We all have those moments.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, but I like for you guys to hear inspiring stories like this.
Mhm.
And Aisha, I don't think Aisha on here tonight, but yeah, y'all definitely push
Don't
through.
give up, y'all.
Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know. You may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it. Along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there, network, and ask them all the questions that you want to ask. Get their phone numbers and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas.